How to download and install Zenith Bank mobile banking app. So if you want to download and install Zenith Bank mobile banking app, then first of all open up your Play Store or your App Store and then check your internet connection, and if it's stable then go for the search bar which is on the upper side and then search for Zenith Bank mobile app. And after searching, here you will have this application. So to download this, you can simply tap on install, and after tapping on install it will start downloading. So it might take some time depending on your data or your Wi-Fi connection. And after downloading, you will have an open button on the right side. You can simply tap on that open, and after that you can create your account or you can log into your account. So that's it. That's how you download and install Zenith Bank mobile banking app. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.